Hello educators, today we will be exploring thermic tablets. This is a simple but powerful tool to enhance a sensorial exploration in students. It consists of tablets made of different materials like metal, slate, tiles, glass, wood and carpet, etc. So we have already discussed about how to enhance audial senses, how to enhance visual discrimination senses and all that. This activity is for enhancing tactile senses. Let's dive deep into the world of thermic tablets. Thermic tablets consist of rectangular tiles made of different materials such as glass, wood, tile, metal, and so on. Each tile provides a unique sensory experience for our students. The beauty of thermic tablets lies in their ability to engage the senses, particularly touch and temperature perception. So let's see how to introduce thermic tablets to students. Let's start. First, let the child explore all the tablets by himself or herself. For that, you can take each and every tablet and feel the tablet. Usually it is felt, this is with temperature, right? So it is more felt with the wrist. So you can use the wrist and use the tablet. Feel the tablet. You're feeling the difference? Each tablet has a unique temperature, right? Some is very cold, some is a little, you can feel a little hot here. So once you have already explored every tablets, let's do an activity. So for that we will keep only one tablets in a row. Each one of the tablets is kept in a row. The other we can keep it like this. Okay. Since now you have already explored every tablets, let's do an activity. Take each tablet, feel it. With your open eyes itself you can see which tablet, right? So feel the other tablet also and match it. Or you can even touch this, you can feel other tablets as well. So that you can compare this feel and the other tablets. Once you get the same tablet, match it. So since You have been doing this activity with an open eyes. Your other senses like vision will be influencing this tactile sense. So to restrict that influence, we will be doing this activity with folded eyes, so that only the sense of touch or tactile sense is involved in this activity. Can you please fold your eyes? Now please repeat the activity. Take one tablet. So in this way, the child has learned to identify each and every material using just feeling the temperature. So thermic tablets helps child to feel or understand the temperature produced by each and every material. What thermic feel they get while using or touching each and every material. So this is purely a sensorial material, but this material can also be used for language purpose. First, when we are introducing any of the Montessori materials, we will be using very minimal audial instructions. While doing activity, please give very minimal audial instructions. Don't interfere them too much with your audial instructions or audial disturbance. Okay, so let's see how to incorporate language to thermic lessons. Okay, you have already started identifying this with the feel, right? Now let's teach the child what the material is. This is glass. Do you want to feel the glass? And this is wood. This and this have different temperature, right? Glass, wood. And this is metal. What is it?
Metal.
And this is carpet. Carpet. This is slate. And this is tile. If the child is too small to take the whole naming at a time, you can introduce just 2 or 3 pieces at a time and then add on more pieces. Okay. So we have introduced name of these materials to the child. Now make sure that they can recall or they can name these materials. For that we will do the 3-period lesson like that. Introduction is over. So can you show me wood? This is the 2nd period lesson. You have to make sure that the child can point the correct material when you name the material. Okay, wood. And can you show me slate? Okay, can you show me glass? Can you show me metal? And can you show me tile? So we are sure now that the child identifies the material. So the 3rd period is we should assess whether the child is able to name the material. So what is this material? And what is this? Can you tell what material this is? And this is? This is? This is? Now we are sure that he can name the material as well. Now you can move on to the language lesson using thermic tablets. So after that, let's try naming that pieces. Can you fold your eyes? Can you say which material it is?
Glass.
Okay. How about this one?
Metal.
Very good. Can you say what this is?
Tile.
In this way, he could name these materials also now. So thermic tablets can also be used as a language lesson. So students, I think you have got a very good understanding of how to incorporate thermal tablets to Montessori sensorial classes as well as to language classes. So if you have any doubt, please feel free to comment and ask in the comment box. Thank you.